Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Jing'ai Kyrteng Eastern West Khasi Hills District ya ke district Batmai kalapanlong ya bun ki Metbah banyatai ha ki social media. Nakaleng uba Metbah lengdo UMLA ka Mairong constituency. Habakaran ha kani ke sngi plie ya kani ke district Thamai ulaong. Bangis ngau tenat baki Metbah kishim kia banyatai ya ka Kyrteng jong kani ke district ka Batmai. Ula benrabru da kabaong ba kesorkar haswa benshim ya karai halor kani ka Kyrteng kile syong perkhat ba nakaliang menteri rangba Conrad sangma ula Pynshai Metbah Haba Ïadei bat ka Kyrteng jong ka district ka Batmai da kaba uang ba haswa benshim ya karai kile syong perkhat bun sien ula batairu da kabaong ba ka Mairang Civil Subdivision ka Pynshai East jong ka West Khasi Hills District. Day halor kani kadaw kaba penlong yaki banai da ka Kyrteng Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Ula benrabru da kabaong ba kikwa banbu ya ka Kyrteng West namar kadai ka kemi jong kani ka district kaba Thamai.
Malumara nagalang jama nga chukwa banong Eastern West Khasi Hills kabut kadai ka bihi jong kasabi. Kata dari district Metbah, nama bang ini naga West Khasi Hills. Langsung kumain bagian, kia perlu por berkaitan boros dia, ban dibet, ban beri, yang ini sok hidupi. Langsung kumain, lama kini kapan pau, ban kapan i, bagi don lem petiket tre, hakamede, bagai, kebaki don hakamede district Metbah. Kidon kejadian, kiben pau, i express, kiben i, ya lagi dong so hidupi. Kamban jimper, nama kiben pau, ya lagi kontra yang di district. Langsung man, ini bandon ke platform, ban ayat ini hukum gini, kiben pau, lagi dia baru. Bangai siapa, kini kan orang Pynshai, ban susu, kan hamha, nama speaker, susu mak kabinet. Name of the district. And I was very, I should say, saddened to see that people were more interested in making comments about the name than really giving us suggestions on how we should make the district better. Very easy to criticize, friends. Very easy to just put a small post on social media. You have to start understanding much more needs to be done than a simple post to make a difference in the lives of the people. And I can assure you, we are here to make a difference in the lives of the people. When this district was being formed, many meetings were held. Many meetings. When we had to select a name, many meetings were held even then. It's not that we just sat down one day and finalized. A large consultation was done, and different people were asked for their opinion. And when we zeroed down, we felt that there must be some linkage to the parent district. We are a matrilineal society. We continue our lineage from our mothers. West Khasi Hills is by default the mother. And therefore the cabinet felt that there must be some lineage to show the lineage towards the mother. And therefore names like North-West were suggested. When we looked at the North, it was not in the North. Then the East-West was suggested. When we looked at it, we said East alone would not really signify. So therefore, if you look at this district, it falls on the eastern part of West Khasi Hills. Hence, It's the eastern of West Khasi Hills. Hence, it is the eastern West Khasi Hills. A lot of people would take some time to understand that. But let me assure you that there was a lot of thought process that went into the naming of this district. It was not just a decision we took immediately without any thinking. But as I said, more importantly, what is important for us to know that we need to take forward this district and we need to take forward West Khasi Hills district to make it come up from the bottom right now to the top. That is really what our challenge is, and that should be what our goal is. Friends, let me assure you, this government is a government that has always carried everybody along. We are an inclusive government. We go with broad consensus. We are not a bulldozing government. We believe that we have a diverse society. We believe we have a diverse political spectrum. We believe it is important to carry everybody along when we make a decision or when we work towards development. That has been also one of the guiding principles for our government.